Hey guys, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knife Center. Welcome back to Nick's Desk. We've got some cool new lockbacks to show you today from Victorinox and Spyderco. Check it out. So both the knives we're featuring today have silver metal handles and lockback locking mechanisms. First up, we've got the return of the Spyderco Kopa. This has been out of production for a few years now, and this is a new sprint run featuring contoured stainless steel handles with sort of a brushed finish. It feels very good, nice and smooth in the hand, and the classic leaf-shaped blade from Spyderco, full flat ground in VG10 steel. The nice thing about the Kopa is it's a very small design. It's just about the width of my hand, but when it's opened, the integrated finger choil and thumb ramp make it very easy to have a nice full grip on this knife. There's no pocket clip on this knife, but there is a lanyard hole if you want to attach something to the end. And the lockback mechanism features the David Boy dent, which helps prevent accidental closure. So this is a sprint run knife, so quantities are limited. If you see this and want one, better act quickly. You can find them at KnifeCenter.com. Ever since Victorinox put out their Hunter Pro line of lockbacks, there have been people asking for them to do it in an Alox handle, and it's finally here. This is the Hunter Pro Alox. Features the same textured aluminum handles as the smaller Swiss Army knives. This knife is a little bit heavier than you might expect, but it really imparts a feeling of strength and solidity. The blade features a large hole for opening with a bead blasted finish and the same steel that they use on the smaller Swiss Army knives. Opens and closes very easily, nice and smooth. We've also got a deep carry pocket clip on here, which is removable, but it is right hand side only. We've also got a protruding lanyard slot and an included braided lanyard in silver thread. So that's what we've got right now at Nick's Desk. You can find both of these items over at KnifeCenter.com, but we've got a bunch of stuff in from the California Custom Knife Show. So keep coming back and we'll show it to you just as soon as it comes across the desk.